Maya's marvelous helper. In a cozy village nestled between rolling hills and blooming meadows, lived a spirited girl named Maya. With her curly hair and a heart as warm as the golden sun, Maya was always ready to lend a helping hand. The Turner family, consisting of Maya, her parents, Mr. and Mrs. Turner, and her little brother Leo, lived in a quaint cottage surrounded by a colorful garden. From a young age, Maya had a keen sense of responsibility and a genuine desire to assist her family. Whether it was tending to the garden, helping with chores, or creating delightful surprises for her loved ones, Maya's willingness to contribute had become a cherished part of their daily lives. One sunny morning, Maya woke up with a burst of energy. The sunbeams filtered through her bedroom window, and a new day of possibilities awaited. As she descended the creaky stairs, the aroma of pancakes and fresh fruit wafted through the air. Mrs. Turner, with a warm smile, greeted Maya in the kitchen. "Good morning, Maya. How about you help me make breakfast today?" Mrs. Turner suggested, handing Maya an apron. Maya's eyes sparkled with excitement. "Sure, Mom. I'd love to help. What are we making?" Together, mother and daughter embarked on a breakfast-making adventure. Maya carefully measured flour, cracked eggs, and stirred the pancake batter to perfection. Mrs. Turner marveled at Maya's enthusiasm, grateful for the special bond they shared in the heart of their cozy kitchen. As the pancakes sizzled on the griddle, Maya's little brother Leo entered the kitchen with a wide grin. "Smells amazing. Can I help too?" Maya, always eager to involve Leo, handed him a spatula. "Of course, Leo. You're the official pancake flipper today." The Turners, now a trio of kitchen maestros, created a feast of fluffy pancakes, fresh berries, and maple syrup. The breakfast table was adorned with colorful flowers from the garden, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. "Maya, you're a marvelous helper. Our breakfast is like a work of art," Mr. Turner praised, patting Maya on the back. With satisfied smiles, the family sat down to enjoy their delicious breakfast, savoring each bite and relishing the joy of a shared meal made with love. As the day unfolded, Maya's helping spirit continued to shine. The family decided to spend the afternoon in the garden, a place where Maya's green thumb truly blossomed. Together, they weeded flower beds, planted new seeds, and arranged vibrant blooms into cheerful bouquets. Leo, armed with a tiny watering can, giggled as he helped hydrate the plants. Maya shared stories about the magical world within the garden, how each plant had its own personality, and every bloom had a tale to tell. The Turners, surrounded by nature's beauty, reveled in the simple joys of a day spent together. In the evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, Maya felt a creative spark. Inspired to bring a touch of magic to the family, she suggested a surprise family art project. With colorful paints, brushes, and canvases, the Turners transformed their living room into an impromptu art studio. As they painted, laughter echoed through the cottage. Maya captured the essence of each family member in her artwork, creating a masterpiece that reflected the love and connection they shared. The joy of artistic expression became a cherished memory, hanging on the wall as a testament to Maya's creative spirit. Days turned into weeks, and Maya's helping endeavors took on new forms. She became the family's go-to problem solver, offering solutions with a cheerful attitude. From organizing surprise picnics to helping with homework, Maya's actions spoke volumes about her love for her family. One weekend, as the Turners planned a neighborhood picnic, Maya took charge of coordinating the event. She created invitations, organized games, and even prepared a delightful assortment of snacks. The village square buzzed with laughter and excitement as families gathered to celebrate the sunny day. Maya's creativity and organizational skills shone brightly, making the picnic a memorable community event. The Turners, surrounded by friends and neighbors, felt a deep sense of gratitude for Maya's efforts in bringing joy to their village. As the seasons changed, Maya's helping spirit evolved. During the winter, she surprised her family with a homemade winter wonderland. Maya crafted snowflakes from paper, hung them around the house, and even created a snowman family out of cotton balls. The cottage transformed into a cozy haven, filled with the magic of the season. One evening, as the family sat by the fireplace, Mrs. Turner turned to Maya with a twinkle in her eye. "Maya, you're not just a marvelous helper. You're the heart of our family. Your love and generosity make every day special." Touched by her mother's words, Maya realized that the true magic of helping wasn't just in the tasks completed, but in the joy it brought to those she loved. The Turners, bound by love and shared experiences, were a testament to the strength of a family that supported and uplifted each other. As Maya reflected on her journey as a helper, she felt a deep sense of fulfillment. Helping wasn't a duty, it was a gift she gave willingly, and in return, she received the priceless treasures of love, laughter, and shared moments. The Turners, guided by Maya's joyful spirit, continued to navigate life's adventures together. Through the ups and downs, Maya's helping hands and caring heart remained a constant source of warmth in the heart of their cozy cottage, a haven filled with love, laughter, and the extraordinary magic of family.